we're starting from North Stronghold Station. Going to, a hotel. You'll have to see what it is. Yeah, it's not a very easy server to see. Server. Hopefully this doesn't take me very long. This might be a long one.
Treeful Island Station.
Treeful Island Station. This is their official pack. So if you haven't downloaded this already, this is called the FTMC resource pack. You can use the link in the description, which is going to be posted after I film this video. So let me check my time.
Daisy Bay Station. Transfer station for Line 7.
I believe we're going to Camel Island. Well, this server is actually created by another YouTuber. It's not created by me, so don't ask me again in the comments. Otherwise, I'm figuring out how to use the comments with my mom.
Camel Island Station. Transfer station for Line 6 and Universiade Branch Line.
We're gonna transfer here. Oh, we're going to cheesedog. Well, cheesedog hotel. Yep, I guess we'll go on this line because it's too late for me to get on.
North Sugarcane Town Station. Transfer station for Line 7, Cheesedog Shuttle Lines, and Universiade Branch Line.
Yeah, so some of these stations are gonna have platform screen doors with the dun 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 dun, like that. So they don't have it all stations, but this is a little difficult for my
Cheesedog Hotel Station. transfer station for line 3 and cheesedog shuttle lines.
Oh, we're going to... Where's the exit? I believe the exit is right. We're gonna go to the exit because this is where we're gonna end the video. I'm gonna go this way. Alright, this is our hotel. This is how you guys check in. Button. Alright, we're gonna go up to the top floor. So we'll see what our room is. Looks like it's well, it looks like is this one. No bathroom, sadly. Yep. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm not gonna say the thing that I did in the last video because I keep on saying it multiple times. So, yeah, please subscribe and leave a like down below. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody.